Hi YouTube, Engineer 100. Here we are, getting ready to do another unboxing, and once again, I'm stoked. This is my BendPak model 4-post lift tray. Okay, this is just an unboxing, just like we did with the Advantage lift tray, and I'll do a compare and contrast and full review of both of them later. Right now, I'm just going to open up the box and let you guys see what's inside. And this is going to be cool. And I'll tell you why I chose both of these trays and why I use one versus the other in different circumstances. Here we go. Look at this. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. This is beyond nice. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of the box again and just show you the tray. So let me get rid of the box and I'll be right back. Alright guys, this tray came very well packed and it is adjustable, just like the Advantage lift tray. It's adjustable so it can fit on different widths of runways and different lifts. And I'm going to show you the inside. It has like a little rubber mat inside here. Okay, and I'll show you the key difference between this one and the Advantage lift tray is this one does not have the rollers. It has little polymer feet. Yeah, these are not metal. They are not rubber. They're like a hard plastic. And I'm going to be using this tray primarily for actually lifting the car with my little jack. You know, I should show you guys that jack. Let me go get the jack so you can see it. Let me go get the jack. I really should have saved this for the full review. But this is my little Esco pneumatic jack. It's the Esco brand pneumatic jack. It's one of the best that I could find, dollar for dollar, the best I could find. And I'm going to use this in conjunction with this tray to lift the car when it's on the lift. So I can get the tires up off of the lift for service, for brakes, for whatever. So anyway, this is basically all there is to see. I'll give you a nice little walk around and that'll be it. I'll take this off. And this tray does not have a drain plug on it. The other tray by Advantage Lift has a little drain plug right here, so you can flip this over, drain oil in it if you want, and then drain plug it. So we'll do a couple of shots of it, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching.